Hey, it's Berta Jay, and I just want to say to you that when you come into my kitchen or go with me elsewhere, I would like to share with you all things that I know that are related to whole food, plant-based eating and that lifestyle. I will share with you tricks and tips that I've learned over the last 4 decades. And then I'll also share with you tricks and tips that I learned from my viewers, you, because you guys give me such wonderful information that I use even still today. On this channel, it's more important that I share with you truth and honesty than it is that I get a lot of views. Though I want those views, I want to give you only the things that I've tried out, that I've tested, and that I know works, okay? I've lived for more than 6 decades. I want to share with you some life lessons and hope that they will help you in your life. I want to share with you bloopers because it just lets you see that although you may learn a lot about the whole food, plant-based lifestyle and other things, what you're going to find out is I'm not perfect and I get things wrong. But it'll give you a chance to laugh at what I'm doing. And I just want to say that if you look at a video from my channel, I'm sure there's one there that you will like and enjoy.